Has paddle shifters as well on the steering wheel. Inside here you have heated seats, air conditioning seats, dual sunroof. The rear has heated seats and climate control. Has a third row. Also has this feature that automatically goes up for you for your guests in the rear. I'll show you something else. It's pretty cool. Same thing on this side. And then on the rear, you got the power lift gate and close. Power down for the rear. There you go. Wasn't locked up. Plenty of space in the back. And power back up. Got a little compartment back here. Spare tire. Full AMG kit. You have the push to start. So inside here, it's only 51,879 miles. Here you have privacy shades to the top. I'm gonna make it darker inside. And then obviously all the bells and whistles in here. You got sport, suspension, the lift on the car, traction control, and you got comfort, individual, sport, sport plus, and then ice. And this is your control for up here. Nice thing too, you have the aerial view. So, screen's actually fine, the camera just makes it look like that. Really nice car. And a great color combo. Beautiful black exterior with that dark brown interior. And then this lights up as well.